fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an exciting unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing my oldest Diamond Art Club kit. This is the first Diamond Art Club that I will be doing for the Diamond Art Club 2024 challenge, and also this will be the first kit for me from one of my diamond painting goals, which is to do my 5 oldest diamond painting kits. And I think all but one of them are Diamond Art Clubs. The 5th one is the Diamond Painting Deutschland, which you have seen me unbox, the one with 275 colors. So I'll be working on that one throughout several months because it's so big. But this one, I want to try and get done in the month of January. We'll see how I do because we're already over a week into January and I haven't even unboxed it yet. So I may be slightly ambitious with some of my goals this year, but I have all year to get all 5 of them done. So if I don't get it done in January, that's okay. All right, so my first kit that I'm going to be unboxing is Bubble Fairies by Randal Spangler. Let me get everything out of the box and I'll be right back. All right, this is my oldest kit, so it is quite old. I think I bought this in 2020 or 2021, probably 2021. It is Bubble Fairies by Randal Spangler, so I've got my little sticker here for my logbook, so I'm going to save that. I've got my sticker sheet here. This is old, so old that these stickers are not pre-cut, but they are stickers, so I will need to cut all of these when I get to kitting it up. And you can see a bigger image of the dragon there, kind of reclining in this big bubble bath. There's a fairy and a castle in the background. There's some other fairies inside the bubbles. I've seen other people do this one and it looks really cute. And I've always wanted to get to it. I love Randal Spangler. I have several of his kits, but for some reason I've only actually completed one of them. I think I still have 5 or 6 in my stash, so be working my way through some of those. Because I think another one of my oldest 5 is also a Spangler. So let's see what we have in our toolkit here. Lost the top of the tweezers somewhere to be sure I don't poke myself. All right, so we get a tray. We get a bunch of additional baggies, which I never use. 2 plates of wax, a scrunchie, our diamond painting pen, and a 4-placer, which even though I don't like the plastic ones, the 4-placers, I saved the plastic 4-placers because that and the pink wax I use sometimes when I want to multi-place ABs. Not all the time, but sometimes. And then our very pokey tweezers, which lost their little guard for some reason. So that's what's in the toolkit. So let me unroll the canvas. I'm going to let it flatten out a little bit. It's long enough. I don't think I'll be able to get all of it on the table, but we'll see. And we'll start looking at that. Don't go anywhere. All right, so we've also got our instructions, which I don't use. And then we've got, whoa, lots of drills here. So we'll look at those in a minute. It is a square kit, as you can see. So in looking at the stickers here, we've got 52 colors, and it looks like we've got 2 ABs. So I may add some additional ones in here as well. I know there's a couple of colors that I've got ABs for. Maybe some of these pretty pinks and stuff, I'll have ABs that I can pull out and add in, as well as maybe some of the blues and everything. Like I said, just a really cute picture. I've seen it done. The ever-present cookies down here, the dragon with its little tail, and then the tassels and the curtains kind of hanging in the background. So I think it's going to be a nice mix of some confetti where the dragon is and then some nice multi-placing for the backgrounds. Curious to see how the bubbles turn out. So this will be fun. So 52 colors. Let's look at the canvas. And here we go. Here is the canvas. So you can see, like I said, we've got the big dragon laying here, the pillow behind it, all of the bubbles. We've got some cookies down here in the corner. We've got some fairies and these little bubbles in the background, a big castle in the background, this large fairy in the foreground. And then we've got some kind of curtains. I'm assuming it's some sort of window or opening or something. So this is 69 by 56, it says. So let's look and see. It is almost 68 and a half, so not quite 69 across. And it is a couple of millimeters, no, right at 56. So not quite 69 across, but right at 56 down. And I like that this is a portrait, or I mean a landscape one. So many of my paintings are portrait or squares rather than landscape. So it's nice to have some landscapes to hang up so that they don't all, are not all portrait ones hanging framed. Okay, so that's the size of it. It's Diamond Art Club, so nice and sticky, no worries there. I likely will get rid of the cover sheet, but nice and clear symbols, don't have anything to worry about. It doesn't look like there's going to be a ton of black. Some outline here on the dragon, but then all in the background, it's not actually black. It's 939. It looks like a lot of the darker is going to be dark blues instead of black. So that's good. So like I said, a schematic on both sides, 52 colors with the 2 ABs. I know you can't see the whole picture, but I will do some B-roll so that you guys can kind of see a close-up of the whole canvas. This one is a square, so no worries about guide circles or anything like that on this one. So that's good. All right, let me grab the drills and we'll look at all of those. This is a lot of drills, guys. Whew. Okay, let's just dive in. We unroll them here and I'll just grab them and we'll start looking. So we've got a purple, a very dark blue. Oh, 2 bags of that, right? Yes, oh, that's 939. So 2 bags of 939. Another purple, a dark brown, a cotton candy pink, a kind of dark caramel color, a bright blue, kind of a periwinkle blue. And then of course, because of the dragon, we're going to have lots of greens in this. So a darker green, a light lavender, a light green, a hunter green, ooh, like a bright baby pink, kind of a soft mulberry. Oh, there's one of our ABs, which is a white, kind of an off-white, a light green, a sky blue, a butterscotch, and another like dark forest green. Then these colors, we've got another kind of lighter butterscotch, a pale yellow, a very dark mulberry, a light blue, a light yellow, a chocolate brown, 2 more shades of green. This one's kind of an olive green and then a lighter green. We've got another kind of magenta, a dark purple, kind of an orangish brown, reddish brown, a yellow, another purple. Is that the black? That's all the black in this kit, I think. If it is, that'll be amazing. A light pink, kind of a periwinkle blue, a watermelon pink. Oh, there's our other AB. It's that light purple AB. A pink and another darker green. So we've got kind of a dark milk chocolate, another dark blue. We've got 2 packages of this blue, 2 packages of this purple, another butterscotch, kind of a slate blue, another purple, a darker butterscotch caramel color, a dark blue, 2 bags of dark purple, off-white, like a lavender color, and then a lighter blue. So there's all of our 52 colors. So let me clear these off and we'll look at where our 2 ABs are going to go and where I think would be a good place to add in some additional ABs. Okay, so the first AB is the light purple one, and that goes up here in the Fairies wings. I don't really see it anywhere. I guess there's a few here and there in some of the bubbles. And then the second one, which is the off-white, also goes in the fairy wings, but is also some of these bubbles, the top of the bubbles here in the background. Here, some of the bubbles in the bathtub, but mostly highlights here on the toes of the dragon, here in the eye, the little highlight pieces. If I have some more of that AB color, it might be fun to go back and add some additional ones of those in around the bubbles just for some added sparkle. And I might have some greens that I could add to the dragon as well. There is some of that white here where the lights are in the castle. And maybe I'll find some brown ABs to make the little, I think it'd be fun to make the tassels here and the cords of the tassels on the curtains. maybe a little brown AB to kind of give it that little bit of metallic sheen to make it look like they're gold or something. I think that's going to be fun. I can't wait to get started on this one. Like I said, this is my oldest kit. It has been in my stash for so long, and I'm excited to finally get started on it. I will stick a link to it down below if I can find it. It's a Spangler, so it's pretty universal. I've seen lots of people do this one. If it's not available on Diamond Art Club, they do have other Spanglers that you could check out as well. I love his little draglings, so I'm excited to get started on this one. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.